You're listening to Body by Poly. I'm Dr. Alain Polynice, here to share what I've learned over 25 years in breast and body surgery. Real talk, honest recovery, and the truth behind lasting results. The trend in breast implant surgery now is toward more smaller implants, but that doesn't mean that the expectations still aren't big. So, small implants, big expectations. What does that mean? The trend in my practice has changed. Like 20 years ago, the range of implants that I was putting in was in the 400, 450 cc range. 10 years ago, that went down to 300, 330. And now it's very common for me to put in implants as small as 175, 195. But in order to get really great results with a smaller implant, there's still a lot of planning that goes into it. So it's really important to do a meticulous examination where we're looking at the anatomy of the patient, calculating the base width and all the necessary distances of the breast, the nipple relative to the fold. All of those things are important. It's important to look at the quality of the skin and really using all of those measurements and data points in order to pick the right implant for the right patient. Because there's so much that goes into it when you're trying to create a really nice breast mound and a really nice shape for a patient, but with very little volume. That's where it can be very tricky. And also, typically, patients who are looking for these type of implants and augmentations now are sometimes thinner, and you have to really look at the quality of the skin as well. So all of those things put together can make a very challenging surgery, but preoperative planning, picking the right implant for the right patient, the right style, the right profile, all of those things are so important in creating that look. But that's the trend today, smaller implants, that ballerina augmentation. And I think it's a great trend because it creates a natural look without overstretching the skin. And I feel that it provides a more long-term good outcome where patients can expect to have these implants for many years. Thanks for tuning in to Body by Poly. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and follow along on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. See you next time.